What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Attention to detail, luxury detailing and coatings here in Highland, Indiana. Today I am with this absolutely sick 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV. This is in a matte gray color. The whole vehicle is matte from the factory. And I'm super excited because we're going to actually be doing a full matte ceramic coating onto the entire exterior, and it's getting our showroom package. Signature showroom package, you already know. Comes with all the trims. The headlights, the taillights, the front grille, the black plastics, the mirrors, the chrome, the emblems, the rims, the tires, and all the exterior of the windows. So this one's getting our full matte coating on all of the paint, and we're also doing paint protection film. That's why we're in the film shop. To all of the pillars, we're doing the B pillars, the C pillars. So that is absolutely fantastic because the client has actually had a vehicle in the past where all of the B pillars were all scratched up, and the client doesn't want the B pillars to be scratched up anymore. So if you follow me, we actually put PPF on these pillars, and Paul, our PPF tech, is trimming them currently. So this one has PPF, this one has PPF, this one has PPF, and this back piece has PPF, which is fantastic. So we're also protecting the back from all the scratches as well. This is the Trail Boss Edition, as you can see, and I'm super excited to get it ceramic coated. So what is a ceramic coating and what does it do? So a ceramic coating goes and bonds to the exterior of the paint. Obviously there's no clear coat on, these are matte, the matte coating. And it bonds to the paint to protect it from the elements. So tar, tree sap, acidic rain, harmful UV rays, paint overspray, sun damage, fading, all of that. And it also makes the vehicle extremely easy to wash and maintain. So the thing with matte is that you can't really just wax it because wax is meant for clear coat that's glossy, and wax is meant to be bonding with the glossy clear coat. You can't exactly just wax a matte vehicle. It's gonna be all streaky and it's gonna mess it all up. And then when you try and go to fix it, you can't even polish it because it's gonna polish and turn glossy. So ceramic coating helps because it's super, super easy to clean and maintain, and it protects the exterior finish from all of the elements. So that is pretty sweet. And then we're also tinting the front two windows on this vehicle, and we're gonna be matching the back, I believe. And I'm super excited for that too because the vehicle is gonna have a complete look from top to bottom. So I will catch you when we do the entire ceramic coating of the vehicle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the ceramic coating done on this 2026 Silverado EV on matte gray paint. If you have a matte vehicle and you need protection, whether that's PPF or ceramic coatings, or you have any vehicle, whether that's a supercar, a hypercar, a daily driver, an old antique, a classic, a rare classic, you name it, we are here to help at Attention to Detail Luxury Detailing and Coatings in Highland, Indiana. My name is Aaron, owner of the shop, Attention to Detail Luxury Detailing and Coatings. If you have any questions, book a consultation. You can feel free to give us a call to book yours today. Bring the vehicle by. We'll show you around the shop, meet you, shake your hand, and just make everything just that much more personable. You can give me a call at 219-533-8783, or you can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. We do everything from detailing, interior and exterior. We do ceramic coatings, paint corrections, icon rock clear, paint protection film, window tinting, undercoatings, cavity protection, rust proofing, vinyl wraps, chrome deletes, undercoatings, powder coating, you name it. We do so many different services. If you need anything, give us a call, and I hope to hear from you soon. 219-533-8783. Catch you here soon. Thanks, guys.